an ugly sweater cake. I already made the cake, and I'm also gonna make it easy because I'm using ready-made icing. So I put 2 pots of vanilla frosting, bought at the supermarket in little tubs, and I put them into this bowl with some green gel food coloring. Okay, I'm gonna keep mixing until this icing is the color of green that it is intended to be. Don't go away. So basically, I wanna totally coat this cake in the green frosting. Okay, so now that the canvas of the cake is ready, I'm going to start adding the details. So I'm gonna add, this is, by the way, store-bought icing as well. And I'm basically gonna make a Y shape. And this is supposed to be like the fluffy trim of your Christmas sweater. And then it's just about decorating. I gotta do buttons for the sweater.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I thought it'd be fun to do dark buttons. I'm already loving it. This is like a light strand. And then take bell-shaped candies and just kind of set them straight on the cake. You don't even have to unwrap them. Just kind of decorate to our heart's content here. Look. Isn't that cute? Okay, what about sprinkles?
Yes.
Okay, put one kind of sprinkle on this side. Over here. I'm basically gonna go too far on this and mess it all up. I'm gonna look for a sweater that looks exactly like this